Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm lucky to have a Destiny helper close by. She taught us how to smoke catfish. So I'm going to be asking her a bit of question, and if you're interested in learning this, she's going to be dropping her phone number at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the very end. Madam, can we meet?
Yeah, hi. My name is Olanike Daramola. I'm the CEO of Victoria Smoked Foods.
Okay.
We are into fish, chicken, anything smokable. Anything smokable as long as is any meat that is edible you really want to eat, we can smoke it for you. If you want to start smoking business, first of all, the first thing is passion.
Okay.
Because if you're not passionate about it, you might want to bolt out when you look at the stress. By the time you start going through the training, you see, I can't cope with this. And the first thing is passion. You must be willing to go all the way when you really want to go into smoking business.
And does it really worth it?
If you really pass through the normal requirements, or you really go through what you're supposed to do, the things you're supposed to do, it's worth it. In summary, the steps required for smoking catfish is, first of all, you must know how to handle fish to avoid wounding yourself. Now, when you know how to handle fish, that will be in the aspect of the degutting. But the first thing we need to do is, when you put your fish in the bowl, salt it. We have different methods of killing fish. Some do not salt, some just kill them straight, degut, and just put in rinse and just put in the oven. But why we use the salting method is because it makes the fish sweeter. So after the salting, we leave it for some minutes for the fish to calm down, because all the fishes want to come up for lack of oxygen. Make sure they are all calm. Then you start the gutting. When you start, you slit, open, remove the guts, then throw in another bowl to wash. And when you wash, the process of sticking was shown to us in the morning. We do the sticking, and when the sticking is done, while that is being done, we can go and put fire in the oven to heat the oven to a particular temperature. And when we get that temperature, we can set the fish on fire on an oiled tray. We must make sure our trays are being oiled, so that by the time the fish is done, you can easily remove your fish from the oven. And after all that is being done, the main thing you should note when smoking your fish is, always go and check your fish. Give yourself a time limit or span to be able to go and to use in checking your fish, so as to avoid burning of fish. And when you are done with that, I think you're good to go. Fish is ready to eat, is ready for sale. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you derive a lot of values. So, madam, if we want to consult you, can you give out your number?
Yes, my number is 08030448958. Another one is 09154684482.
All right. Do you have any email?
Yes, my email is bolanix, BOLANIKS 2014 at gmail.com.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.